Hello everyone. Today we have with us here the head of department at NVPS College, Anand, and she will be answering some of our questions today. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So, ma'am, please give a brief introduction of yourself, and then we can start with the questionnaire.
Myself, Dr. Madhumati Bora. I'm working in this college since 1998, and I'm head of department of biotechnology, genetics, and bioinformatics. I did my PhD from Rajasthan University, Jaipur. Basically, I'm from Rajasthan.
Okay, ma'am. So the first question I would like to ask you is, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
You see, first thing is I love teaching. I love my profession. I want that whatever I know, I should be able to impart to the youth. That's the major point.
Okay, ma'am. So, how does the curriculum of NVPS College ensure the best practice of the industry?
You see, curriculum is same. What is there in SP University, there is no change in that. But what extra we are doing in our colleges, first thing is we are doing the counseling. You see, it's not only the education or the curriculum which is important. Important is that you are making a person good morally also. So by counseling, we are like local guardian of the students. For every 35 students, we are having a counselor who takes care of those students, and he's having a connection with the parents also. What they are doing, how they are performing in the college, their absenteeism, their performance, everything is known to them, so that they are also aware of the performance of the student. That's one thing. Another thing is that we have 2 sessions in a year that is called open house, where we interact with the parents and they are able to see their internal marks, their answer sheets also, that tells the transparency of ourselves, that how transparent we are. Like if a student says that this teacher is partial with another student and not giving me good marks, then he can see the answer sheet of that. The parents can see themselves. The way he was wrong, why the marks were cut, like that. So this open house system is a good system where we are able to interact with the teachers and we can show everything transparent. Then another thing is that it's not only the BSc, we prepare them for the MSc also. For that we run an entrance exam preparation cell also, which is supported by Gujarat State Biotechnology Mission also, where we are supporting the students, we are giving them training to clear the entrance exam for the MSc also, so that they can get into good institutes. So it's not only that our responsibility stops at BSc only, it goes for their MSc also. So we guide them for that also.
Ma'am, what do you think the roles and responsibilities to the college and to the students are?
You see, the role of the college is to impart the best education and give them the other values also which are important to be a good person. Whereas the role of the student is that if a college is regular with you, if the college is strict with you to be regular, then student must be. He must also pay attention, the same attention what a college is paying. Like if I am particular about a student, that he should pay attention to the studies and I am after him, it should be the student should be after the teachers. A student should look for the teachers, not the teachers are looking for the students.
Ma'am, what would you like people to know about your college that they may not know?
You see, my college is actually known for at the national level, and not only the national, rather international level, because majority of my students are going abroad and they are settled there. Many of them are professors, many of them are scientists over there, and they are having a very good position on which we can feel proud of it. Maybe many people are not knowing what is this college. It's a self-financed college. But you see, earlier when I joined this college, I also found that why so much of discipline, why so much of regularity is there at the college. Because in college we see that we should have the freedom. But this is the only age where it is the transition stage. You are coming directly from the school to the college and you feel like a bird. You go everywhere and you enjoy the life. But that's not the thing. At this stage, if you get a right guidance, if you get proper information, if you get proper knowledge, then you can be a good person, you can be a good performer also in the education.
Ma'am, what do you see as NVPS college's greatest strength?
The greatest strength of our college is quality in education, and that is reflected by the selection of the teachers who are all PhDs. And they are not only from the state, they are from the different parts of the country. That itself reflects the quality, because we don't have any person who is less qualified. So if highly qualified person is teaching the students, then naturally they will get the best of it.
Ma'am, lastly, I would like to ask you, are there any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Yeah, I would like to say that the marks are not important. Important is to acquire the knowledge. You should have the in-depth knowledge, and for that you must read the books. If you just depend on the notes given by the teachers and just get the good marks, that's not enough. So that this is my suggestion to all the students, that they must have a habit of reading the books. There are so many good books, so many good research papers. So to update your knowledge, you should read the research articles also.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for talking with me. It was nice talking to you and it was an insightful interview. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.